This is replacing the screen for an Acer Aspire E15. First, what you do is you take your finger nails along this to pop the plastic off. Pop it all the way along off and in the back down here at the bottom. You take it off and you take your screwdriver, undo the 4 screws. And then once you have the 4 screws undone, take this off, put it down, you undo the tape that's back here, and you pull this out, just like that. You get your new screen, you align it back up to right here, put it in, put it in, make sure it's straight, all the way flush inside, or else it's not going to work. Put the tape down. Put this back up. I'll line up the screw holes. Get your screws. Okay. Screw in your screws. So you screw in your screws, take the plastic off, and pop the plastic back on, and that's all you need to do.